Central BCC to Adam, Boy, Truck 1 on TAC 1.
U1. Go ahead.
U1, SWAT is needed for rapid deployment. Barricade hostage situation. Detective 4-2 Adam requests SWAT respond to CP at base of Mount Threshold Avenue. Stand by for additional details. University police report forced entry by multiple armed suspects at approximately 2025. Location is 72 Mount Threshold Avenue, College and Research Facility. Suspects are armed and violent and have already shot multiple civilians on site. Initial intent appears to be destruction of the facility and research projects.
U1, roger. Show us en route. ETA, driving time. If you haven't heard of the Army of Faith, here's your introduction. A bit after 2000 hours, a group of them broke into the Halogen Research Facility at Mount Threshold, closely affiliated with Mount Threshold University. A couple of patrol cars responded quickly to the initial alarm, and the activists were trapped inside. Unfortunately, trapped along with them are the building's late-working scientists and graduate students. The suspects have already released a statement declaring their willingness to become martyrs, and we have evidence of their willingness to make martyrs out of others. It's a very touchy situation, with the potential to get worse. About the Army of Faith. They've been around for about 2 years, and have claimed credit for bombing research facilities doing work with stem cells and cloning technology. Don't make the mistake of thinking of them as kooks. Whatever they believe, they're also well-armed, well-trained, and dedicated to their cause. They've sent and acted on death threats to leading researchers in both fields, and this is not the first institution they've invaded. We think they intended the same sort of high-damage, high-speed raid at Halogen. However, university police were nearby and acted quickly to contain them. Things are still confused enough that we don't know how many civilians are still in there, and we only have rough estimates on the number of suspects. Halogen is active in DNA cloning research, and we believe that is why they were targeted. Our suspects are led by Jean Trufant. He is one of the major operatives in the Army of Faith. Trufant was wanted for bombing abortion clinics before going underground and reappearing with the Army of Faith. We don't have an accurate count of how many gunmen he has with him, but it's at least 7 or 8 from eyewitness reports. One of the first things the Army of Faith did was take down the security system, so we don't know how many civilians are inside. So far, the suspects have only named Dr. Theodore Sturgeon as a hostage. We believe he is in imminent danger from the suspects, as one of Halogen's key researchers. As always, your first priority is to rescue him and get any other civilians out of there safely. However, you should also keep your eyes open for Sturgeon's briefcase, which has contacts for other researchers around the world. In the Army of Faith's hands, those documents become an open season list. Study the location and your opponents. Choose your gear carefully and get in there. There's a lot riding on this one.
To Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding to CP at base of Mount Threshold Avenue. Barricade hostage situation.
Gold, take care of that room.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Keep it smooth. Moving on. Civilian contact, no suspects. On your knees.
Oh my God, don't shoot me!
Entry team to
Contact has
talk.
complied.
Civilian hit. Talk. This
We'll
is
get to you
Secure
in a
her.
minute.
Check. On it.
It's almost over.
They've been sending threats in the mail for
team to
weeks.
talk.
I
Civilian
never thought
ready
it'd
to
go this
evacuate.
far. We all could have been killed.
Keep it up.
Check behind the door.
On it.
Copy. It'll just take a minute. Mixed crowd. Let's be careful.
Gas and
Nothing
clear.
to worry about.
Got it.
Tossing a canister now. Unarmed.
Suspect fleeing.
Get those hands sight of them. What next?
Suspect
Suspect
Suspect is gone.
Suspect has complied.
When do we secure him?
I got my eye.
Entry team to talk. Entry team to talk. Civilian down. We're breathing.
He's on
Ready
the
for
move.
evac.
They gassed us! Wait your turn.
Don't make any trouble.
Make him secure.
Check. On it.
Take him into custody.
Goddamn cops.
This one's not
Bastards.
going anywhere.
How can you defend these
Burp
people?
is restrained. Got some evidence, too.
Tell it to the judge. Fall in.
Behind you.
Make her secure.
Roger that, sir.
You'll be safe soon.
No, wait! I work
Talk.
here!
This is entry team.
Regroup on me.
Civilian secured and ready for...
We're with you. Contact in sight. Looks clean.
Put your hands in the air. Do it now. Get hands up. You going after those fanatics? Hands up. Police, show me your hands. You going after those fanatics? Drop your weapon. Get those hands up.
Suspect ready for arrest.
Move and clear.
Check. On it.
Entry team to talk. Injured suspect secure and ready for transport.
Copy.
Take it and clear. Go and ready.
Copy. On it. Gun secured.
This place
Nothing's an
Be secure.
abomination.
Talk. This is entry team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Evidence.
Roger.
Put your hands
We'll come
up.
in when it's clear.
This is what it's all about.
believe this is
Contact has complied.
Crazy world.
What's up? I thought you guys were gonna rescue me.
Talk. This is entry.
Stay with me. I'm on point.
At your back, sir.
Put your hands up and get down!
Contact in sight. She's being
On the ground,
goofy.
now!
Oh, my parents are nuts.
I'm just
Civilian
standing
is
here.
compliant.
Get down! Put your hands up and get down!
They broke my hood!
Hands in the air! Get down! On the
one's
ground,
stubborn.
Parents
now!
are never gonna
Contact
believe
has
this.
complied.
Hands up!
Shoot me!
Keep it
Civilian
moving.
Why aren't you
is
stopping those
compliant.
lunatics? They're
On it, sir.
crazy!
Don't worry, I've got you.
Hang in there.
I got my
No
cuffs
hard
ready.
feelings.
One of them said he was looking for the
They've been sending threats in the mail for
Civilian
weeks.
secured. Ready
I
for
never thought it'd
evac.
go this
Ready
far.
for evac.
Roger that.
Could have been
Talk.
killed.
This is entry team. Civilian is ready for evac.
Fall in on me.
Roger that.
Understood.
Trailer standing by. I'm with you.
You guys never learn. Mirror under the door.
Copy that.
SWAT with me. No suspects visible. Looks clean.
Opening gas.
On it, sir.
Be ready for gas. Time to move. Go! Moving on. We have suspect contact.
On the
Get
ground,
away.
now!
Orders.
There
Orders.
they are! Get out of here! Drop the gun! Do it now!
Jackson, I'm clear.
Make him secure.
Check. On it.
Goddamn SOPs.
Bagged and ready to go.
Behind me.
In position.
Get down! Hands in the air! Here they come! Hands in the air! Get down! Son of a bitch!
Zip him up.
I got it.
We got a runner. Suspect spotted.
Suspect in custody.
Police! Get down! Hands up!
Suspect neutralized.
Police! Drop your weapons! Do it!
Suspect compliant.
Get down! Hands in the air! Get down!
Stay down.
Police! Get down now! Hands up! Get down! Damn it! My eyes! Oh, God! My eyes! Oh, God!
Doc, this is entry team.
Tell it to the judge.
I don't know what happened.
Oh, God! Damn it! My eyes!
Fall in and stay close. I'll take point.
Understood.
Suspect
Follow
in
it.
sight.
No weapons here.
Hands up and get down!
With you.
Now!
I'll just
Got a
stay out.
contact.
Civilians will be over.
Get
Get
down! Now!
Down now!
Get those
You want
hands
after
up!
those fanatics?
Now! Hands up! Get those hands in the air!
Hurry,
Do
hurry,
it
you've got to
now!
stop them.
Contact has complied.
Just get me out of
Civilian
here.
has complied.
Civilian contact. No suspects in sight.
Now.
Get those hands up! Now!
Civilian
hands
is
are there.
compliant.
Drop your
Say
weapons!
what?
Suspect killed.
Put your hands up and get down!
Doc, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Copy. Stay sharp.
Police!
Doc, this is entry team. Suspect killed.
Roger
Moving
that.
clear.
Standing
Go
by
and
for
ready.
further report.
Got it.
You
Weapons
all scared
secured.
me.
Sir, suspect restrained with
Weapon
evidence.
secured.
Don't worry. I'll keep you safe.
What the hell is this?
Entry team to talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Don't tie me
Doc,
up.
this
Just
is
get
entry
me out
team.
of here.
Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
They're all
Doc,
suited
this is
up like
entry
some
team.
Halloween
Civilian
show.
is safe, secure, and ready for evac.
Here shooting people.
Roger that. Trailer standing
Hey,
by.
Entry team
Why
to
are you
talk.
treating me
Civilian
like a
is okay,
criminal?
ready for evac.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Fall in.
Copy. Rejoining you.
At your back.
Let's play it safe. Use the wand.
Got it.
Need to get into position. One person, unarmed. It's all clear there.
UCS on breach.
Making it happen.
Open with gas.
You're in my way.
Right on.
CS going in.
Contact in sight. Looks
That
clean.
way.
Police! On the
Let's
floor!
get in there,
Police!
guys.
Hands up!
Contact in
Get
sight.
down! Hands in the air!
Hands in the air.
Do it now!
Hands
Hands in the air!
Kids
Get
are
down!
never gonna believe
She's being
this.
goofy. Get down and put your
It's
hands
clear.
up. Do it. Area clear.
Keep it moving.
Civilian
Clear it.
has complied.
Copy that.
We'll get you
Be
out of
safe
here.
soon.
But I
This was the
didn't
worst
do
night.
anything.
Team to talk.
Sir.
Civilian is secure, ready for evac.
Copy. Trailer standing by.
Mirror under the door.
Hollywood is on it.
I got it, boss. There's no one in sight. Nothing to worry about.
Behind me.
In position.
Talk, this is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the EMTs.
Copy. Notifying EMTs.
Entry team to talk. Civilian,
Drop the gun! Do it now! Drop your weapon!
Suspect
Get those hands
Drop
up!
your weapons.
Hands up!
Don't shoot. Suspect has complied. Suspect is compliant.
I got point. Get behind me. Move and clear.
Check. On it. Gun secured and safe.
Weapon secured.
Suspect in custody.
You should be arresting the
This one's
scientists
not
who
going
work
anywhere.
here. Not
Weapon
us.
secure. Fall in.
With you.
No weapons here.
Get down! Hands in the air! Now!
Civilian
Shit, I thought
is
I was
compliant.
gonna
I
die.
ain't getting in your way.
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the EMTs.
Copy.
Gotta
TOC,
stop them
this
before
is
they
entry
kill somebody.
team.
Let's play it safe. Use the wand.
Check. On it. I'm on it, boss. Mixed crowd. Let's be careful. It's clean, boss.
Opening gas.
Check. On it.
Gas going in. Got a contact.
Hands
I got a
up
suspect.
now.
He's gone,
Let's
boss.
move! Get
Next
down!
suspect in sight.
Get those hands off you! Those hands off you! Put your hands down! Get down! Hands up! Hands up! Now!
Civilian has complied.
Take care of that
Position clear.
Sure thing, boss. We'll get you out.
Entry team to TOC. There's a down suspect here.
Weapon secured, sir.
Copy.
Civilian
anything.
secured and ready for transport.
We'll get through this.
Behind me.
Returning to your position.
Entry team to TOC. There's a DOA here.
Roger that. Trailers and EMTs
Got
are
your back,
standing
boss.
by.
Entry team to TOC. We have a DOA here.
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
No, wait!
Entry
I
team to
work
TOC.
here!
Civilian ready to evacuate.
Check behind the door.
Check. On it.
SWAT with me. No suspects visible. It's all clear there.
Open and clear.
Copy. On it.
Go, go, go! Time to move!
Moving forward. Trailers.
What happened?
Contact in sight.
Police!
Appears
Get
one-
down!
hated
Police!
chemistry.
Get down!
Put your
Show me
hands
your
up.
hands!
Do it.
Now!
Civilian
Get down!
contact.
Hands in the
No
air!
suspect.
this.
She won't get
Oh my
down.
god, don't shoot me!
Police!
Watch
On your
out.
knees!
Gerard,
Unclear.
clear.
Civilian has complied. Stay down.
Check that room.
Copy. It'll just take a minute. You'll be safe
Don't
soon.
worry, I got you.
Hey, wait, you're gonna get me. Why are you treating me like a
I got points. Get behind me.
Evacuate.
Got it.
Copy. Keep it up.
In position.
Let's play it safe. Use the wand.
Roger. Working on it. Need to get into position. There's no one in sight. Looks clean.
Fall in.
With you.
Get down!
Police! Put your hands up!
Suspect ready for arrest.
Entry team talk.
Objectives accomplished.
You lose.
Time to head back in.
Good work, guys. Let's head to debrief.